We're going into South St. Catherine. And the father for the poor. We're calling him next. Comrade Fitz Jackson.
Me say me never give up. I said there ain't no giving in. And when the going gets tough, I said the tough get going. And my people don't give up. I said there ain't no giving in.
Comrade Chairman, Comrade Party Leader, Comrade General Secretary, Comrade colleague candidates of the People's National Party, Comrade warriors and fighters of the People's National Party, I greet you with much pride tonight. Comrade Jensek, if Comrade Danny Buck was here tonight, he would say, as I look across and look around, I can see acres of comrades. We will see miles of comrades. So I endorse that Comrade Jensek. Make better arrangement to extend the sound system further a front and a wide. Comrades, I won't be long, but I really stand here with a bit of pride. Before I go any further, I want Comrade Jensek, come here. Comrades, this comrade have been slaughtered by some people in recent times. But I must tell you, for all the time that I have been around and the work that you have been doing as General Secretary, I am proud of you, and the comrades of the People's National Party are proud of you. And we stand with you. We stand with you as you marshal the comrades across this country to victory of the People's National Party. Comrades, I don't have to tell anybody why they must elect me, because the proof is already there. And that's why I am here as long as I am. And I will be there as long as the people choose to keep me there, because it is all about service to our people. That's what matters. I am here, comrades, at this venue, which is very special, as some of my colleagues have said before. Emancipation Square. Because the mission of the movement that we belong to is not just about winning election. It's not about forming government. It's about transforming our country for the majority of our people. And our gathering here tonight is about the continuation of that mission. One of my greatest joy and satisfaction as a member of parliament is to see the number of young people who come from everyday Jamaican family whose life has been transformed so that the cycle of poverty has been broken. That represents the mission of the People's National Party, for which I have been given an opportunity to contribute towards. That's why tonight gathering here is so significant. Comrade Leader, I became a bit lonely in Portmore since 2016. And I am proud and happy. Since 2016. Because we used to control all of Portmore up to then. And now I am happy that Comrade Dawes and Comrade Price will now return Portmore back to where it was. So I will be a happier man. I will be a happier man. Come, comrade dogs. Comrades, in Portmore we're going to deliver a trifecta. All three of us will be walking up Duke Street with the next Prime Minister of Jamaica, Comrade Mark Jefferson Golding.
Turn up the thing, turn up the thing, turn up the thing, turn up.
Comrades, remain there, remain. Comrades, them try to mash up Portmore, you know. Them try to mash up Portmore with some gerrymandering tactics. And we take them on, head on, and we defeated them. That is only round one. The next round is going to be in the next election. That's going to be round 3. Because last year, Mayor Thomas, in the local government election, for all the years that I have been in Portmore, I never see a Prime Minister visit Portmore as often as the President one last year, and him come up with 0. But he never knew that for us, that was a dry run in Portmore. This next election is the real thing, because while we control the municipality, we're now going to control all 3 parliamentary seats. Comrades, all I have to say, better days are ahead. Better days are ahead for the residents and people of Portmore and Jamaica. Because you are going to have a government that will institute policies that can make. You see, in Portmore, we have a lot of bright people, you know. We encourage them to do well in school, and them do well. Them do well at the secondary level, and them can't go further at the tertiary level because them can't afford it. And it's for that reason a PNP policy that will make sure say at least one in every family will have a university degree. I can tell you, when you start with one, it breaks the cycle of that poverty. Then you have 2, then you have 3, then you have the whole family become trained. As members of parliament in Portmore, one of the stress that we have is many young people earning but can't afford to own a house. Yes, Portmore have a lot of house, but a lot of people renting house and can't own it. Why? Because them can't afford the deposit. And a People's National Party government is going to set the young people up to 35. The first 500,000 towards owning that house. The PNP government is going to stand by you. That is real progress, and that's what we're all about. Him is part of Portmore too, so I have a right to stand here right beside us. So comrades, as I said, you have heard much of the policies that we have promulgated. And the party leader and the general secretary has warned us and begged us, don't talk about the rest yet. Wait until a certain time. What you have gotten so far is just a taste, because the People's National Party is about transforming your lives so that you and your children and your grandchildren can have a better life in the future to come. Comrades, one love.